So what we're going to do first is I'm just going to go ahead and copy this text here, selected in Control C. We're going to tab over and we're going to create a new document, and we're going to do 48 wide by 36 tall, and we're going to set the color mode to RGB, create the new document here. And what we're going to do first is go ahead and put in some text, and we're just going to paste in auction pickup. And what we'll do is we'll make it a nice bold font. And we'll worry about how that looks after. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and get us an arrow. So we're going to go to Symbols and open Symbol Library. And over here we've got arrows. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find a decent looking arrow here. That one looks alright to me. Scale it up a little bit, holding shift to keep the proportions. Now we're going to go ahead and break the link. That allows us to delete that little container. Go ahead and make it bigger, and maybe something like that. Using the direct select mouse, we'll go ahead and we'll just grab those anchor points and drag them out, make it nice and long, and just kind of maximize the space here. Let's try something like that and bring the letters in quite a bit closer. Try 450. Now we'll go ahead and we'll just double check our notes here. Wording on top, auction pickup. So it should just be something like that. Go ahead and center that, and you can see that it's slightly off center, so we'll just bump it over a couple just to make sure that we're good. And we will go ahead and just move the arrow down and kind of make the spacing a little bit more appealing here. Another thing you could do is draw out a shape, Control R for your rulers. Just go ahead and throw a ruler right there between the bottom of the text and the bottom of the artboard, and we can bump that down so it's centered. Just double check that's centered as well.